The D.W. Sanders team knows that all projects have their challenges, but this project created a challenge the team had not seen before. Utilizing the TCNA handbook and industry best practices to meet project challenges, the team established a layout, then sorted 6x12 marble for shade and marble tiles fabricated to keep equal width stone tile throughout the barrel vault. When the Thassos white marble tiles were set in place, they began to develop red spots within an hour. At first, the thought was the clay had contaminated the water or mortar. None of the initial thoughts panned out. Finally, a piece was removed and determined that the stone contained iron that was activated by moisture in the thin-set mortar. The team decided to stop, remove that day's work, clean the stone, and allow it to dry till morning. A few unset marbles were sent back to the office, placed into shallow pans with damp paper towels overnight. The next morning, rust appeared in the uninstalled marble. The stain did not fade from the Thassos tiles once dried. After several calls to technical departments and stone suppliers, discovery and industry input, calls were made to the supplier and the marble was replaced. The supplier decided that the replacement stone needed to be dip sealed or six-sided sealed for best outcome. Next, sealers were tested to determine the best for this situation. With new knowledge in hand, the new lot of Thassos was dip sealed and then installed. Though the project was delayed several weeks with schedules and budgets being affected, clear communication to all parties produced a successful project, and the problem is long forgotten with the final results. Congratulations to D.W. Sanders Tile and Stone for their NTCA Five-Star Project of the Year Residential Grand Prize win for their When White Turns Red project.